Do you want to learn about the best credit cards for building credits? Then you want to stick around till the end of this conversation. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. How you doing today? I hope you are doing fantastic. We are doing marvelous. And if you're doing as marvelous as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. Today I want to talk to you about the best credit cards for building credit. Let me just quickly say that this is not financial advice. We have done research and we're just sharing with you the results of that research. So this is more educational. And the credit card information that I'm sharing with you today is geared towards people looking to build or rebuild credit. So if you are 100% committed to making one-time or on-time payments to all of your creditors and keeping your balances low compared to your credit limits, you can successfully build your credit over time. So the types of credit cards I'm talking about today can often have higher than average fee structures and interest rates. So you want to carefully review all of the card information that I'm giving you or the card details on the internet before applying. And you also want to try to pay your balance in full each month to avoid paying too much in interest. Let's start with the number one. Open Sky Secured Visa Credit Card. So for this card, there's no credit check necessary to apply. So the refundable deposit you provide becomes your credit line limits on your Visa card. So you can choose it yourself from as low as $200 to as high as $10,000. And you can build credit quickly. And Open Sky will report to all three major credit bureaus. The great thing here is that they even have a Facebook community to kind of help you. So they have a forum of shared experiences and insights from others on the Facebook fan page. So you're able to learn as you grow, as you improve your credit score, as you build credit. Second, Pedal 2 Cashback No Fees Visa Credit Card. There are no fees. This is a card that proclaims there are no fees, and there are. We test them out. There are no fees whatsoever. So there's no late fee, international fee, annual fee, or any other kind of fee. There's no fee. So you can earn up to 1.5% cash back after making 12 on-time monthly payments, 1% cash back on eligible purchases right away, up to 10% cash back from select merchants. The credit limits range from 500 to 10,000. You have variable APR ranging from 13% to 27%. And the great thing here is that they have a cash flow technology that may help applicants without credit history get approved. Number 3, Avant Credit Card. The great thing about this credit card we found is that there is no deposit required, no penalty APR, no hidden fees, fast and easy application process. And this is a card that helps you strengthen your credit history as long as you use it responsibly. A good thing here is that if you are, and that's what they're saying, that if you are charged interest, the charge will be no less than $1. The cash advance fee is the greater of $10 or 3% of the amount of the cash advance. And the Avant branded credit products are issued by WebBank, a member of the FDIC. So what I'm trying to say here is that this is a card that's kind of cool if you want to build your credit fast, and that's kind of cool. They have an annual fee though. The annual fee is $39. Next we have Deserve Edu. Deserve Edu. So this is good for excellent, good, no credit. They cover the whole 9 yards. So the snapshot of the card features are: you receive 1 year of Amazon Prime Student on Deserve after spending $500 in the first 3 billing cycles with your Edu card. You can earn 1% cash back on all purchases with your Deserve Edu MasterCard. So once approved, you will automatically start earning cash back on all purchases. That's kind of cool, right? Think about it. You also have, there's no deposit required, no annual fees, no international transaction fees on purchases abroad. So great thing is you can travel with confidence. No social security number required for international students to apply. They even have one thing we found very great is that they call it Refer a Friend program. So you can refer anyone to Deserve after using your personal referral code. So upon approval, card activation and use, you will receive $30 and so will your referral. So referral bonuses are unlimited. Think about that. In terms of the card itself, there are other features that we loved. For example, you can manage and track your spending. You can set automatic payments. You can securely freeze your card so that nobody can use it. They have an app, and there is no annual fee, zero. Intro APR not applicable. The ongoing APR is kind of high, but it's still cool as long as you pay. You make on-time payments. So 18.74% is the ongoing APR variable at this point. And the great thing here is that Deserve MasterCards are issued by Celtic Bank, member of FDIC. Another great card to build credit or rebuild credit is Milestone Unsecured MasterCard. The great thing here is that they have an easy pre-qualification process which will not affect your credit score. That's what we call a soft inquiry. So the great thing, if you are into design and you love to personalize your card, guess what? They have a choice of card image at no extra charge. Less than perfect credit is okay, even with a prior bankruptcy. They have mobile friendly online access from anywhere. They are accepted nationwide wherever MasterCard is accepted. This is an unsecured credit card. In other words, no deposit required. You have protection from fraud if your card happens to be lost or stolen. Another thing that I want you to really think about here is that when it comes to this card, the Milestone Unsecured MasterCard, is that they have an annual fee that ranges from $35 to $100. There is no intro APR. The ongoing APR is a little high, $25, 25% rather, 24.9%, and there are no balance transfer features. Let's move on now to the next one. You have the Indigo MasterCard for less than perfect credit. This is a card that we kind of like as well. Why? Because less than perfect credit histories can qualify even with prior bankruptcy. Here also you can choose your card design with chip technology at no additional cost. You have a quick pre-qualification available with no impact to your credit score. Again, here we have a soft inquiry. You have an easy pre-qualification process with fast response. The great thing here is that you can download the app. The app is very user-friendly, so you have 24/7 access to your account. You have protection from fraud, so if your card happens to be lost or stolen, and again, it is accepted nationwide wherever MasterCard is accepted. In terms of fees here, they have no balance transfer feature or introductory APR, but that's fine. The annual fee ranges from zero. So if you're lucky, you might have no annual fee, and it ranges from $0 to $99. In terms of the ongoing APR, you have 24.9%. This is what you have right now. All right, I'll be right back right after this. Do not go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. We are having a conversation today around the credit cards for building credit and even rebuilding credit. So if you love the content's clarity and quality so far, please consider subscribing to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you are informed in real time whenever we drop a new show. And we drop this kind of shows, guess what? Every single day. Rain or shine. Let's talk about the next one. It's called Destiny MasterCard Credit Card. And this is for this card, if you have less than perfect credit, it's okay. Even if you have a prior bankruptcy, they will also accept you. The pre-qualification process does not affect your credit score, and they report to all three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You have an opportunity through this card to build and access credit, even for students. It is an unsecured credit card. In other words, no deposit is required. You have fraud protection from unauthorized charges, so you can choose your card design at no additional cost. The annual fee ranges from $60 to $99, and in terms of the ongoing APR, it hovers around 25%. No intro APR and no balance transfer. You also have the Unity Visa Secured Credit Card, the Comeback Card. And the thing is that unlike your prepaid card, Unity Visa Secured Card can help you build your credit. Great thing is they have a fast application process. You can apply online in less than 5 minutes, and you could be approved right away. So there is no minimum credit score required. The interest rate is around 18%. You have a fully refundable FDIC security deposit. You have to actually you have to commit that deposit though at the time of application. So if you have a minimum of $250 to deposit immediately, you can start today. There is no application fee or penalty rate. They will report every month to the 3 major credit bureaus. You have 24/7 online access to your account. And in terms of annual fees, this is kind of cool. So they have a $39 annual fee. The ongoing APR, as I said earlier, hovers around 18%, so 17.99%. It's fixed, no variable here. And balance transfer, they have that feature. That's great. So you have the introductory 9.95% for 6 months if you transfer balances through them. Another card that we like is the secured Visa from Merrick Bank. And you can choose your credit line based on how much money you want to put down as a security deposit. So initial deposit can be from $200 to $3,000, even though we've seen actually some cardholders who reported having a $10,000 balance. So you can increase your credit line at any time by adding additional money to your security deposit. So after 9 months, Merrick Bank will review your account for a credit line increase, and there is no additional deposit required at that time. Secured credit cards are great for people looking to build or rebuild credit, and those are available to people with all kinds of credit backgrounds. Remember though, as it's something that we have said in other shows, unlike a debit card or a prepaid card, a secured credit card helps you rebuild your credit history. So as you pay your bill every month, the card issuer will report to all 3 major credit reporting agencies. And you have fraud coverage if your card is lost or stolen. You can access your account 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And in terms of annual fees, you have $36 for the first year, and they actually bill you this. They bill you this $36 one time, and thereafter they bill you $3 per month. The APR is 17.45%. And next we have Destiny Unsecured Credit Card. So this is unsecured, so in other words, there is no deposit required. And they have an easy pre-qualification process. Again, it's a soft one. It does not affect your credit score. And if you, it gives you an opportunity. This card, Destiny Unsecured MasterCard, it gives you an opportunity to build and access credit, even for a student. You can access your account online or from your mobile device 24/7. They report to all 3 major credit bureaus. You can choose your card design with chip technology at no additional cost. In terms of the annual fees, it's kind of a little steep in our view. So the annual fee rather ranges from $60 to $100. You have a 25% ongoing APR. There's no balance transfer or intro APR features here. So this could be this could discourage some people. And I also want to talk to you about the First Digital Next Gen MasterCard credit card. And this is a card also that allows you to build credit or rebuild credit. It's a perfect credit is not required for approval. The card issuer may approve you when others won't. So you may be eligible for a credit line increase after 6 months. And you need to have a checking account with them. And the great thing here is that the application process is very fast. You can get a result in as little as 1 minute upon completion of the online application. This is a card issued by a bank called Synovus Bank. They're a member of the FDIC. And another great thing here is that they report to all 3 major credit bureaus every month. And the card, this First Digital Next Gen MasterCard credit card, again, it is an unsecured MasterCard credit card. It is accepted at millions of merchant and ATM locations nationwide and online. In terms of the annual fee, this really varies. The ongoing APR also varies based on your account, based on your profile. So you want to check the terms of the card to have more info. I just need to specify here that this card, in terms of credit, they want somebody who has a fair to limited credit. So poor credit wouldn't really work for this one. Next card, we have the Pedal One no annual fee Visa credit card. Again, as the name implies, it's a zero annual fee, up to 10% cash back from select merchant. In terms of credit limits, they have it ranges from 500 to 5,000. The variable APR ranges from 20 to 30%. There's no annual or international transaction fee, so late and return payment fees may apply though. And you can build credit. You can build credit very gradually with the Pedal One no annual fee Visa credit card. You have cash flow technology that may allow you to build credit to also get approved faster. They even have a wonderful app. We've tested that app. It's great. The app allows you to easily manage your money, track your spending, and automate payments. And you can be pre-approved within minutes without impacting your credit score. Again, this is a card that's issued by WebBank, a member of the FDIC. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. I hope you are still having a great conversation here around this topic. It is an important topic, and we are talking about, I'm giving you a rundown of credit cards that will help you build or rebuild credit. And let's talk about the Merrick Bank W Line Secured Visa. The process here is very simple. For this card, when it comes to credit, if you have poor credit or no credit, they will accept you. And you want to put down $200, which becomes your credit line. Then if you qualify, you can double your credit line to $400 without making another deposit. So you can double your $200 credit line by making at least your minimum payments on time each month for the first 7 months your account is open. The great thing is, and we've said this before, this is a secured credit card, right? And this kind of cards, guess what? It's great for folks who are looking to rebuild or build credit. And this kind of cards is available to people with all kinds of credit backgrounds. So you can access your account 24/7. You can actually pay your credit cards automatically. They have a system. They have a feature called auto pay, and you also have some account alerts. So you're not actually surprised, quote unquote, surprised by something going on. In terms of the annual fee, it's $36 for the first year, and this fee is billed $3 per month thereafter. The ongoing APR is 17.45% variable. There is no balance transfer available with this Merrick Bank W Line Secured Visa, and the intro APR is also non-existent. The last card that we have reviewed for you, the card that helps you build or rebuild your credit score, or rebuild credit, just for short, and that is Jasper MasterCard. And this card is kind of cool too. Why? Because you can earn 1% cash back on every eligible purchase. You can receive your cash back automatically every month as a credit to your account, as long as your account is active and in good standing. And the great thing here is that this card is also great for people who have good, fair, or no credit at all. All the benefits of a premium MasterCard. So there's no annual fee, no security deposit, no foreign transaction fees. Think about it, that's pretty cool. No credit history is required to apply if you don't already have one. So if you are a U.S. citizen, a U.S. permanent resident, you have a green card, or have been living in the U.S. for over 1 year at the time of application, Jasper will run a hard credit inquiry with the credit bureau. So this is we're not talking about a soft inquiry here. This is a hard inquiry. So the thing is that this is another card that is issued by WebBank. And in terms of the fees, there is no annual fee. I've said that before. The ongoing APR ranges from 15.49% to 24.99%. And there's no intro APR and balance transfer available on this card. All right, folks, so this is it. This is the conversation I was having to you today about the cards that will help you build or rebuild your credit. And I spoke about Open Sky Secured Visa Credit Card, Pedal 2 Cashback No Fees Visa Credit Card, Event Credit Card, Deserve Edu, Milestone Unsecured MasterCard, Indigo MasterCard for less than perfect credit, Destiny MasterCard credit card, Unity Visa secured credit card, the comeback card, the secured Visa from Merrick Bank, Destiny unsecured MasterCard, First Digital Next Gen MasterCard credit card, Battle One no annual fee Visa credit card, Merrick Bank double your line secured Visa, and Jasper MasterCard. Thank you so much for listening to today's conversation. I really appreciate it. I will see you next time, but until then, remember, stay marvelous.